Warning: service must be performed by a qualified technician familiar with oil heating systems. Service by an unqualified person can result in hazards to that person, others, and/or property. See our safety video for additional information. In this video short, we will guide you through the proper order and process to replace filter, strainer, and nozzle in your fuel system. It is important that you do a step-by-step process when replacing your filter, strainer, and nozzle. Completing these tasks in the correct order ensures the replacement parts remain uncontaminated as the oil flows downstream to the burner. Start at the filter closest to your oil fuel tank. Replace the filter. Do not purge the system yet, only the filter. When replacing the spin-on filter, pour a bit of fresh oil into it before installing. Now you're going to move down to your pump strainer on your burner. Remove the cover of the pump and remove the strainer. Then, replace the strainer, gasket, or O-ring. Wipe out and clean the inside of the pump cover. Start by installing the new strainer. Then bleed the low-pressure side of the pump by loosening the bleeder port and continue bleeding until you see a steady stream with no air bubbles. Now bleed the high-pressure side of the pump. Start by disconnecting the nozzle line assembly. Then bleed the high-pressure side into a container to remove any debris that was loosened and carry through the pump. The reason you do this is to protect the nozzle from failing by cleaning out any debris that may have been loosened and pushed through the pump. With the nozzle line assembly removed, remove your old nozzle. Clean your nozzle assembly with some type of cleaner or degreaser. If using degreaser, flush with clean oil to remove the film left behind. Install the new Delavan nozzle. Be careful not to touch the nozzle filter end. The reason you do the nozzle last is to make sure that any debris pushed forward by the cleaning agent and fuel gets flushed out at the end, keeping it from clogging the new nozzle. Next, start the burner and configure it by using an efficiency kit. Set up the burner according to the appliance's specifications. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to visit our website at www.beckettcorp.com.